These cork rings are a really easy accessory to make, and you can impress your friends by how original your ring is. You will need some wire, cork, X-Acto knife, some glue and some pliers, preferably needle nose pliers, and a wire cutter. First you want to take about 3 inches of the wire and cut it. Then you want to find an object that is round, and you want to bend the wire around the object to form the shape of a ring. Then with the needle nose pliers you want to kind of curl the ends of the wire to form a little shape that you can then stick to the cork. When you've done that, don't forget to check that the ring fits your finger. And if needed, you can adjust it. Then flatten out the little curled edges. And you're ready to attach the cork. For the cork, you just need a cork from a bottle of wine or something else, and with the X-Acto knife you are just going to cut a little piece of it. It may be a little hard, but if you rotate the cork it should come off quite easily. And then with this piece of the cork you're going to take your glue and put it on the cut side. And then you just stick your ring into the glue. You can move it a little to cover the ends and leave it to dry. You can leave it overnight or for, I would say, at least 10 hours. And then when it's dry you have this really pretty cork ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe, and you can watch another video by clicking on the screen right now.